Max Money Tribe, Max Money Family. What's going on? It's your boy Alvin, and I am back, at least for today. Now, if you've been following my channel, if you watched my last video on NEO, I got to go back to NEO. I got to talk about it, but I got to add some AMC in there. We're going to talk about some market manipulation. I need you to smash the subscribe button, crush the thumbs up, because I might not be around for long. As you know, I am all in on NEO calls. I even doubled down. I even averaged down. I even had a chance to jump out of it, but I just couldn't believe the FUD, the manipulation in the market just today. As you see here, this headline is talking about Wall Street investors eye the whatever you call it. We already know about that in a Fed meeting. So is it already priced in? That's what I want to know, because today it comes crashing down. I'm down because I have calls, family. So I'm down about $2,000. And if you've been rocking with my channel, you already know I could turn 1,000 into 5,000, just like I can lose it today with $2,000. It's what I got it covered. Don't worry about me, family. I got a side hustle, and this isn't all my eggs in one basket. So when they tell you not to go all in, and I say I'm all in, I'm a business owner. I have a side business, if you didn't know. I also have another crypto account, which I never withdraw. I never trade. I have Shiba in there, and I just add to it. That's it. So don't worry about me. What I want to talk about is the market manipulation. Let's start right here with NEO. If you're rocking with NEO, let me know down in the comments. The last video did great. Here's my honest opinion. Like I told people in the chat groups today, when we get a spike up to 40, we're going to go crazy. Oh my gosh, we got 40 back. Guess what it was a month ago? 42. So basically, it's like when you take something from a kid and you're like, hey, go clean up. You do this chore and you can earn it back. And they finally do it and they get it back. It's the same thing they already had, but they're excited about it. You get what I'm saying? So when this jumps up to 40, we're going to be excited. We're going to be like, yes, it's at 40. But the long-term investors, the one that's been honest to this company, the ones that's been investing, load up, go long-term, the ones that been in it since the IPO, since $1.37, $1, even those days. When you get back to 40, like this thing on NEO day should already be at 55 plus, 50 plus, going for 60 plus. It's no way it should be this undervalued, this manipulated, this far down. So as you see, for the day, it's down. Almost $1. Let's call it what it is. Almost $1. We started off this morning with this straight drop down 930, and we jumped right back up to 34. This is when I could have took profit. I could have ran. It just didn't sit right with me, family. I went all in for a reason. I saw a reason. Now, what do I honestly see? I see a tight consolidation here. Hopefully it can ride this line through this FUD market that we have going on right now in the first half. And come Thursday, come Friday, we can see that $40 price target possibility right here. I'm looking for that. That's honestly as high as I think it will get this week. Now, next Monday could be different. We could see finally some cooling down, Christmas week, short week, all that stuff going on. We could see it fly up, possibility, if they don't manipulate it further. That's all I'm going to say with that, family. So for the year, NEO's down $6.59. Ridiculous. If you look at the way Tesla's rolling, this is the rival to Tesla. This is the Chinese Tesla. This is NEO. Now I want to talk about some other ones. Let's get into it, family. AMC. I wasn't even following AMC because I was all in on that play, but you know I run the short squeeze list, which is right here. We got mixed stocks here. I love bbig. If I was all in on it, baby, if you still in on it, you would be green today. Great day. AQST looking green. That balance is beautiful, beautiful. But AMC, man, check out this. No reason at all, except for the ones that are supposed to be holding, they're selling out. They're pushing the market down as well, manipulating it as they have been since the beginning. AMC apes, I'm sure y'all are still holding strong. If you do have some dry powder, if you do come across some, I'm not your financial advisor. Great opportunities to average down. Great opportunities to lower that cost average. $22. Are you kidding me? When I rode this thing from $12 up to 30, when I made 10 grand, that was rated about this price target off of AMC and the options, family. It's right back in that buy zone. Definitely a buy zone right now. Other ones, big dogs that you could load up on right now. Apple family. Are you kidding me? This thing showed so much strength this morning when it was at pushing for highs. Then it rebounded again. And now it's down $3.71 today. This spike right here had it going for all-time highs, and it was up almost $13 on the week. And now it's half of that. Half of that. Great buying opportunity. Great buying opportunity no matter. So when the Fed does speak and they say, okay, we're going to start tapering back, all that stuff, we already know that's coming. We already know that the variant is around. We already know tapering is coming around. We already know inflation is kicking in. That stuff is pretty much priced in. As much as they preached it, as much as they done panic sold, as much as they done pushed this down, they're cutting losses for taxes, family. They're keeping it down so you'll sell out and this thing will turn around. At the beginning of the year, it seems to always turn around the stock market in general. The holiday sales are coming in. Unemployment's down. It's crazy. It's crazy at the manipulation. And you might have your own favorite stock and you see it yourself. Don't tell me you don't see it. You might can go short term, do puts. I love doing that too. I'll do it for a day. I'll do it for a day trade if I see the opportunity. But this is just complete FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, baby. And they're just taking money. And it's okay. Some people, they do invest with a lot of money that means a lot to them. Now you see my account at 2,000. This account right here, since the last time, I probably have about 2,500 in there. So if I blow it up, it's about 2,500 loss on this what you see right here. I'll bounce back. I could put more in there. I could be done. I got a side business. I got rental properties that I run. But the fact that we come here, we're learning together. We see it. We're reading our technical analysis. We see the good stuff. We see the bad stuff as well. We play it accordingly, and they still find a way to beat us down as retail investors. Crazy. But if you want to load up, you see some of these stocks, you got the dry powder. The shares are where it's at. The options are the high risk, high rewards. As you see, again, I'll show you again. I got 260 calls. 260 calls. So when it did pop here, they were worth $17 each. My average was about 18.6. If it goes here, if I go here and sell 260, I didn't have 260 at a time, family. I averaged in. I had about 235. You saw my last video. 260 at 17, $4,420. I would love that. I would walk with that. Now, the next 2 days, family, I got to work. So I'm going to have sell orders in for certain strike prices just to try to save my butt a little bit. I do want to let some ride later into the week because I do feel like we will get our day to have a little pop here just in the market. But if this when I first started buying, when I bought my first contract on this, it was around $33. I'm not saying it's going to get back there. I'm not saying that at all. With the delta and your time decay eats away at these contracts. I'm looking for a pop to 15 on these, possibly 20, and maybe on the high end getting somewhere up. If we jump up to around 40, maybe getting back to that 33 mark, maybe at least 30. But I won't have 260 when it gets here, family. And if I do, then I'm probably losing it all, and we will just have to ride it out and see what happens. So stick around, smash that subscribe button, learn from my mistakes, because I ain't going nowhere. I will bounce back. I do have a cash reserve sitting on the side, a few $1,000s. I'll probably come back with my bigger account and take it a little easier. But I just want to say I feel y'all pain. We in this together, Max Money Tribe. And don't let them beat us with this manipulation. If you got the shares, hold and go long. Don't sell out. Don't be scared. It will rebound. If you can average down, average down. If you're in calls, find your opportunities. Find your opportunities. Play it accordingly. That's why you go a little bit further out. That's why I bought these a week ago. I didn't see this much FUD being kicked into the market with no real headlines coming around. But that's what I mean by you got to always look after yourself. You got to lock in those profits. It's all right, family. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I won't be actively trading. I'll just have sell orders in. Hopefully we find opportunity in the market, family. I appreciate every single one of you for smashing the subscribe button again, crushing the thumbs up. We in this together, family. I'll see y'all.